Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for all of us. I should say it is a general reading, and it is the reading for the theme of the month or the entire energies of the month, you can say. So it is for all the signs because it affects each and every one of us. And if you are hearing any sound in the background, that is because of the construction work which is going on in my neighborhood. Okay, so I'm sorry for that. So let's see what are the messages for the general energies of the month of June. Okay, let me see anything else from this deck. Okay. So we are starting the month on a very good note. Actually, it is all about, it is a new beginning. We're starting a month with a new beginning, and it is something obviously which is being gifted to us by the universe. It is something like that, a new beginning which is giving a lot of emotional fulfillment and a lot of happiness basically. And the happiness is talking about the emotional fulfillment. So the beginning is very good actually, but then there is something which is happening which is leading to closing off, not sharing, being very closed off, not sharing much with anyone. Okay, so it is becoming very closed off, and it is being followed by some unexpected event which happens, which leads to a total shake-up. It is a total shake-up with the tower, and it is a major arcana. So something happens which is leading to a total shake-up of the events, and it is unexpected, which is coming up, and which is leading to you become very guarded, very uh, introvert sort of, and trying to find the solutions. But the thing is that this person is not at all interested in talking to anyone. So though this month is starting very good with it is a new beginning basically, involving a lot of emotional fulfillment, but suddenly there is a lot of closed off energy. Okay, holding back, not showing your feelings, not showing your emotions, whatever it is. And there is some unexpected event definitely which is occurring over here. Okay, and then it is being followed by the Hierophant, which is followed by the happiness. So what I feel here is that once this tower moment is over, and you take the time to heal, you take the time to look within for whatever the solutions you need to find. Here now, Hierophant is about marriage also, because the month is starting with something very emotional. So for those of you who were looking for a commitment or a marriage or something, then for those of them it is definitely being followed by that sort of commitment. So that commitment is coming in, which is leading to that emotional satisfaction, celebrations, and happy times. And there is an opportunity coming in. For those of you who are not looking for a commitment, then because there has been a tower also over here, what I feel is that maybe you need some sort of counseling, some sort of some sort of help, I should say, from someone senior, someone elderly. It is coming back to the traditional and the moral values. Okay, so maybe you need a counselor to heal yourself, or maybe you need to come back to your traditional measures if you want a happiness ahead, if you want happiness ahead. Okay, because it is again a major arcana. So, and after being followed by the tower, what I feel is, at least because everybody is not looking in for a commitment or a marriage, so it talks about some sort of spirituality, some sort of traditional value, some sort of either a counselor or a helping hand, or it is all about prayers or dedication, whatever it is. But it is some sort of it talks about all the religious belief system, and also talks about your prayers in the temples, mosques, churches, whatever it is. So it is talking about that, and it is that which is being followed by the happiness. Okay, so though the start beginning is very good, but something definitely is going to happen which is lead to a shake-up, and which calls on for coming back to the traditional values, following the traditional values, following your previous paths, holding on to your traditional happinesses, traditional values, basically traditional measures otherwise, which is going to give you the happiness and the new opportunities also, whatever it is. But though there is happiness, and the opportunities will seems uh, not very huge, they are small in size. Okay, not very huge, though there are opportunities, but not of a very uh, not a big, not the big opportunities. Okay, and here with the 8 of Swords and the 2 of Wands, what I feel is that there is a lot of wait. Somebody here is waiting, you're waiting here for the right opportunities, though the opportunities are there, but there is no movement in the opportunities because of the fact that you feel tied up and held back because of some negative circumstances. So you are being tied back, withholding yourself because of the negative experiences of the past, and waiting again, not taking a decision, being very guarded. With the 7 of Cups, there are a lot of ideas, a lot of opportunities, whatever they are, leading to a lot of confusion basically by the end of the month. And here comes the time when you need to take a right decision. Okay, but the ending of the month is again good, followed by the Sun card. So what I feel is, Sun card brings a lot of happiness, a lot of hope, a lot of brightness, and a lot of that fresh energy with it. So the month is starting very good, the month is ending very good, but the thing is, definitely some sort of unexpected event is going to happen, which will cause a great shake-up and lead to and call for a huge healing basically. Hierophant is talking about all healing. Okay, so I don't know if we talk about Corona in that way, if we think about that also, then maybe I don't know how the measures will happen, how the things may happen. Maybe things don't move ahead as expected, and we have to again come back to our own original decision of a lockdown. Perhaps, I'm not sure, but yeah, it can be there, and that can be the again a reason of happiness and containment, and things will happen in a correct way then. And yeah, opportunity, once things open back, there are opportunities, though not very huge ones, and that fear of holding back because of the previous setback of the previous decision may be there. And yes, again the wait as to should move forward or not, being very guarded, and again being confused, though the things are sorting out at the end of the month with the Sun card, which is happiness. And here with the 6 of Diamonds, here we have the harmony. This is talking about harmony. So it is talking about the fact that we need to collaborate with each other, and be in touch with each other, and develop those harmonious relations and cordial. It is talking about coordination basically. Okay, so you need to coordinate with others, coordinate with yourself, in your organization, whatever it is, okay, in your life. But it is talking about harmony. So I think once the harmony is restored or collaboration is there, helping each other is there, things will be sorted out. Okay, so let's see how it comes up, because I remember in the general reading of May, which was the general reading of May, I remember the reading was ending with the Knight of Wands, and the Knight of Wands. If you want, you can see that link again, the theme of the general reading of May, and I myself was not expecting something like that, but the reading ended with the Knight of Wands, though in between there were no cards which talked about movement. The Knight of Wands is the fastest moving card of the deck. And I did mention in a very subtle way that we can expect some sort of action towards the end of the month, but because I was not expecting it to be there actually, so I mentioned it in a very subtle way. But now, as the things are, what I realize is that yes, because it really happened very fast, and the way we see the change in the society outside, things did move very fast. So I just hope that things this month also ends with the happiness. Okay, so that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.